Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Kalyani University. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section over here, type down Kalyani University and enter it after you're done. And after that, click on the first option over here, that is student login. And after that, you can see in order to log in, you are required with your username and your password. So type down your username and your password as well, and click on the login option on the bottom, and then you'll be successfully logged into your Kalyani University. If you have not enrolled or registered your account in Kalyani University, then click on the option that says create an account on the bottom right over here in order to create an account. And if you also have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, then you have an option that says forgot password over here. And in order to recover or reset it, you can simply click on this option. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.